Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to kick off a brand new tutorial series on something super exciting and timely, AI agent development. More specifically, AI agent development using the industry pioneering framework called LangChain. LangChain is a Python-based framework which is used for developing reliable agent applications that are powered by large language models. Okay, before we jump right into LangChain itself, let us try to answer two questions. One, what is an AI agent? And two, why should we learn AI agent development in these days? Okay, first of all, for answering the question number one, let's put our attention to this diagram. Okay, so suppose we want to build an agent for our e-commerce site, which is going to be responsible for receiving user issues or user queries, user messages, and then it will categorize each of the user messages into a category using the LLM, right? Let's say user has sent us a message which is related to refund issue, right? Or user can send a message which is related to technical issue or product inquiry. So for each category, the message has to be routed to a responsible support team. Let's say one of our support teams is responsible for handling the refund related issues, and there is another support team which is responsible for product related inquiries, and another support team which is responsible for any other technical issues, and there may be more support teams, right? So let's say we have got a message from the user which is related to refund issue or refund policy. The user is asking for the refund policy. Then the agent itself receives the message. Then the agent generates an appropriate prompt using the prompt template, right? That is in our backend system. Agent will use the prompt template to generate an appropriate or optimized prompt. Then the agent will send the prompt to an LLM, right? Using an API call, or maybe the LLM is hosted in our local device, whatever the case. Most of the case we use LLMs that is hosted in a remote platform like OpenAI or Google Cloud, Gemini or Grok. So for this case, we have to do an API call, and also the LLMs can be paid or free from the platforms. Whatever the case, we shall discuss later how to use how we can use free LLMs for learning purpose. We shall explore that later. Okay, then the LLM generates the response or categorizes the message, right? We are telling the LLM to categorize the message, right? To categorize the message, whether it is a refund issue or a technical issue or a product inquiry, right? Then the LLM categorizes the message and sends back reply to our agent. So after receiving the category from the LLM, the agent is going to perform a tool call. There can be several types of tool calling, like sending email, web search, API call, and many more. I have just showed here three types of tool calling. So let me explain what is an API call. API call is basically communicating with another remote server for sending or receiving data, right? Sending or receiving data. So in our case, the agent is going to send an email. So the agent now knows that the email needs to be sent to the refund department along with the user message attached as a body, right? So this way the agent first of all gets the user message, categorizes the message with the help of the large language model. Then the agent knows that which department the email needs to be sent, to which department the email needs to be sent. Then the agent do that work accordingly, right? And there is another component which is memory. And why is memory there? Because let's say one user has sent a message, right? After some time, the user is user has sent another message, the second message for follow up. So for that second message, the agent has to be aware of the user, right? Has to be aware of the user's context or the user's problem. So the first message related context is stored in the memory, right? And also the accordingly second and third messages whole summary will be stored in the memory. So whenever user is sending second message or third message, the uh, agent can reply appropriately, right? If there is no memory, the agent will act like that the user is new, right? User is a fresh user. So in that case, user will be irritated with our support system, right? User will not be happy with our service. So for this, we have to integrate a memory component to our agent system. And this is a single agent system. This is a single agent, and in a complete system, there can be multiple AI agents, right? There can be multiple agent units. So in that case, one agent can delegate its output or one task to another agent, right? And so that the later agents can accomplish that goal accordingly, right? So the system of multiple agents, we can call it an agentic AI system, right? This is called an agentic AI. So I hope this makes sense to you guys, how an AI agent works. I have tried to demonstrate the whole workflow of a simple AI agent. Okay, now let's answer the question why we should learn AI agents development in these days. In today's booming AI world, most of the apps still work like fancy chatbots. You ask, they reply. But the real revolution is already happening towards autonomous tool using goal oriented agents that can do actual tasks for us. Whether you are a developer wanting to build more intelligent and smarter applications, or maybe you are a startup founder looking for an edge, or let's say you may be an enthusiast eager to explore the next big thing. Learning to develop AI agents is going to put you ahead of the curve.